In this lesson, we'll look at using the Microsoft ToDo app. The ToDo app is a newer Microsoft app that was recently released and integrated with other core system apps in Windows 10. It's not always pre-installed by default, although I have encountered it pre-installed on some systems. On this system, the app is not installed. However, if I open the Calendar or Mail app, I can see the option to switch to the ToDo app. Selecting this will take me to the Microsoft Store app so that I can install it. And whether you decide to do so or not is really up to you. The app itself is free. So what's the purpose of the app, and why has it been integrated in this way? Well, the app is designed to help you create and manage tasks. It could be you're already using an app to help you keep track of things and keep things organized. The Calendar app and Cortana both have ways to track tasks. After watching this clip, you might find that the Microsoft ToDo app is easier than the method you currently use. ToDo is designed to work with a Microsoft account. This makes it capable of syncing tasks between devices and also of importing scheduled events and tasks that have been set up in other places, such as Outlook or with Cortana. ToDo can be installed on an iOS and Android device, so you can have tasks and lists synced across all of your devices with this app. When you first open the app, you'll generally see the My Day page. The idea with the My Day is to start with it in the morning and add things that need to be tackled throughout the day. This helps you plan your day. My Day will start as a blank list each day, even if you had unfinished tasks from the day before. While planning your day, it can be good to select the For Today button up here. It will show any recently added tasks and any scheduled tasks that appear to be overdue. It could be that one or more would be good to add to your tasks for today. Just hit the plus sign to add them. In the Microsoft ToDo app, tasks are organized in lists. My Day is a smart list because it's a list and it can also include tasks that are included in other existing lists. The default important and planned lists are also smart lists. Now below this is an area for additional lists, and you can create your own lists as needed. Try to create lists that are categories. This lets you focus on related tasks and you can chip away at them. From any list, you can select Add a Task to create a new task that will appear in that list. I'll jump in the task list. Now this is a way of seeing tasks that are not currently in any other list. I'm going to select Add a Task. It's good to give a task a simple name, so I'll type in one here and hit Enter. There we go. A new task has been created. Now there's a lot of things that we can do with a task at this point. We can select the star, and this will add the task to the important list. Now, important is considered a smart list, and it's very similar to the My Day list. It'll show a list of priority tasks, even though they might be located in a different list. If I select a task, I also have additional options. You can add a subtask or step. You can add it to the My Day list. So maybe you had a task that didn't get done yesterday. You can use this to re-add it to My Day without recreating the task. Add reminders, due dates, and you can make the task reoccurring. Any scheduled task will also appear in the planned smart list. You can add a file or add notes. Down below, you can also delete a task by selecting the trash icon. You can move tasks easily as well, just drag and drop. If I jump into this list, we can see that the task now appears in this list. Whenever a task has been completed, you can select the radio button, and the task will disappear by default from that list. The icon up here lets you edit the task list, and you can change the theme for a list. You can sort a list using several factors. You can toggle whether completed tasks are hidden or just crossed off. Notice that you can also pin a list to your start menu. On mobile devices, you can also add a list to your home screen. Now, a great feature with ToDo is that you can share a list. Select the person icon, and then you can indicate the email of a Microsoft account and send them an invite. This lets you collaborate with others, whether it's your family or a coworker. There are some limitations currently on sharing. For example, a business Office 365 account cannot share a list with a Microsoft account from outside of your organization, and vice versa. Shared lists appear with a special shared icon, and you can stop sharing a list if you need to. Just select the icon again and go to More Options. You can disable the link, and this means no additional people can be added. You can also just turn off sharing altogether. Select the account up here, and you can sign out or add an account. You can have a personal and a business account both included in the app and just jump between them to keep track of your tasks. Select Settings, and we can manage a few things related to the overall appearance and workflow in the app. There's one setting down here related to allowing generic data usage to be sent to Microsoft. While the data sent is anonymous, some may choose to disable this option. Overall, this app can be a very useful tool. It'll help you keep track of long and short-term tasks. In this lesson, we've looked at using the Microsoft ToDo app. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.